everyone, my name is Ranu Azad and I'm 4th grade in Clever School. So today I'm going to talk about division through activity. This is the division machine and this is the dividend pouches, this is the quotient pouches. This is where we put the question, this is where we put the quotient, and this is the remainder. So I've got a question and the question is 19 divided by 5. So let me put this in the question area. And 19 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. So 19 is the dividend, so I need 19 popsicle sticks to keep them in the dividend pouches. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I'll repeat, the dividend is 19 and 19 is equally divided by 5. So I need to take out the popsicle sticks and quotient pouches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, 4, 5. So we have the quotient. The quotient is 3. So the remainder is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the remainder is 4. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.
Hi guys, my name is Mila Shakar. I am from Clever School, grade 4. Let's practice more division. We have 13 divided by 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the question is 3. the remainder is 1. Bye guys, I hope you have a fun time.